Nick is having a beach episode.
Please do not drop it, gang.
I'm vlogging right now.
Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Today is a bake and we're outside. We're going to the beach. How do I flip it? All right, in this car right now we got Jalen from San Franco. And then we got Sofia Lariosa, Cindy Madrigal. Over here we got Samaya and Nikki. We got Faye right here. We got Faye right here. Oh.
Austin. Look at these baddies. Wow.
This trunk is actually
in the middle too.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Get the shot! I need rest.
Everyone vlog.
Oh my god. Everybody, what the? Why is she on the line? Oh fuck. No, we're both on the line. Wait, turn your
No, they're gonna hit.
We're here. Look for everyone else. It says they're in the parking lot.
I think that's Marvin.
Marvin? Oh my gosh. Hi guys. Everyone's here.
Okay, now come forward.
Yeah. Put you like, yeah. And Cindy just looking bad. You're like, yup.
You know what's in your bag, Paul?
What's in my bag today? We got my makeup, we got entire wardrobe, and a toilet.
Yes.
In case anybody needs to go potty today.
Look at this big ass group that we brought to the pool.
They're also walking so
Pool?
slow. As if they don't go to the gym every single day.
Why'd you clock them like that?
Fuck, it's cold.
3, 2, 1.
Oh damn.
I'm taking a piss, bro. Don't get in here.
Oh shit.
Holy fuck, it's cold.
Are they swimming in sinks? How much of this is from the cave?
I think just the true fruit. This true fruit in this.
Wait.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Thank you.
No, it's just you to tighten it. The air's coming out from somewhere.
It's coming from the pump.
Can I touch you? Yes or no? Clocked in for her photos. I better see your Instagram photo. Let me see. I want to see yours. God.
How are you doing?
It's fine, bro. It's nice. You should try.
I'm gonna fall in. Wait, how do I get on from here?
No, get on here and then
I'm like, is it easy to balance on?
you gotta sit, I think.
Yeah, for
Sit?
two, maybe sit.
No, it's long now.
Yeah. Oh,
Wow. Wait, go in the middle. You're not gonna sit down? You're not gonna sit down?
I got you. I'm holding on.
Wait, I thought you said 400 pounds.
go on your
I
knees.
bet
Go on
he's
your
gonna
knees.
fall in.
Smile, guys. Smile.
Hey, song.
Hey, we got a
Song. Hey, you better catch this shit, bro.
Oh, yeah. Is it recording? Hey, vlog.
Hey, vlog.
On the paddleboard. Austin, how do you say it? He exceeded the weight limit basically, and it like sunk.
What's up? What's up, vlog? Remember to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. I know, and you can like turn it around. I know. Faye. Do you guys want the vlog?
Hi, vlog.
What's good, vlog? It's your boy, Marvin Espino. We out on the water type shit.
Check it.
Hello vlog! Oh my gosh. We are currently trying to pump up all the paddle boards. Look! Can I say hi? I'm so excited for today. That's it! Oh my god. Bye! Some over there. Some over there. And there's some over there. Oh my god.
In my account now, okay. She got a perk and a perk. I got a twerking and turk. She probably let go it all my own. Oh, you wanna line it all up? Hey, I'ma play it how it is.
Let's do mission success. Good job. That's cute. Everything's darling. Okay,
Howdy.
Let's go, Aaron.
Beach episode over.